Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to take a look at a high capacity loading ramp in a Dodge Promaster high roof. Let's check it out. As you can see, the ramp stows just behind the rear door, taking up about 6 to 8 inches of cargo space. And let me show you the best feature first. It's the exterior swivel. As you can see, the ramp moves out of the way, allowing for easy forklift loading or unloading, as well as quick access to packages. Now, this ramp does come standard with a spring assist. It makes it super easy to operate. Pretty neat, huh? So this ramp has a 3,300 pound capacity. It's standard at 47 inches wide with multiple lengths available. This one we're showing today is 128 inches long. We have many widths, lengths, and capacities for a variety of commercial vehicles, including the Mercedes Sprinter and the Ford Transit. As I mentioned, this is spring assisted. Let me show you how easy it is to store. Lastly, I'd like to show you a really unique option we have today. It's equipped with our optional internal swivel kit. You'd simply release the lever, swing the ramp in, and now the ramp can be stowed out of the way for viewing out of the rear glass should you want to see the traffic behind you, or simply to get out of the way on a more permanent basis to allow for quicker access to those packages. As I mentioned, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and we're here to answer any questions you might have. Please give us a call. We'd love to chat. Thanks for watching.